Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the topic vectors, plasmids and cosmids. What is a vector? A vector is a DNA molecule used as a vehicle to artificially carry a foreign genetic material into another cell where it can be replicated or expressed. A vector containing foreign DNA is termed as recombinant DNA. The four major types of vectors are plasmids, cosmids, viral vectors, and artificial chromosomes. Of these, the most commonly used vectors are plasmids. Commonly to all engineering vectors have an origin of replication site, a multi-cloning site, and a selectable marker site. And the characteristics of vectors are vector consists of a cloning site, a selectable marker gene, and it is in small size, and it consists of low molecular weight, and it can be easily isolated and purified. And the control elements of the vectors are promoter, operator, and a ribosome binding site. And there are two types of vectors. The first one is cloning vector and the second one is expression vector. Cloning vector. Cloning vector is a cloning of DNA insert inside a suitable host cell. Example plasmid, phage, or virus. And the selection of cloning vector depends upon the object of experiment and ease of working and the knowledge existing about the vectors. And the uses of the cloning vectors are it is used in genomic library and the preparing in probes and in genetic engineering experiments. And the second one is expression vector. Expression vector is the expression of DNA insert producing the specific proteins. They have prokaryotic promoter and it consists of binding site and origin of replication. And the agents used in vectors are plasmids, bacteriophages, cosmids, artificial chromosome vectors. In 1973, Cohen described the first successful construction of recombinant vector, and it is plasmid PSC101 E. coli. And the second one is plasmids. A plasmid is a extra chromosomal DNA molecule and it is self-replicating double-stranded and it consists of short sequence of DNA. And the characteristics of plasmids are it contains minimum amount of DNA and it consists of two suitable markers for identification and it has only single restriction site and more restriction enzymes. There are three types of plasmids. Fertility plasmid, resistant plasmid, and COL plasmid. Fertility plasmid can perform the conjugation, and resistant plasmid can contain genes that build resistant against antibiotics, and COL plasmid contains genes that code for proteins and that can kill the bacteria. And the examples of the plasmids are PBR322 and PUC8. And these are the diagrammatic representation of PBR322 and PUC8. And the PBR322 is a cloning vector and it consists of 15 copies and it is a reconstruction plasmid and it is derived from the E. coli plasmid COIE1. And PBR322 has 4362 base pairs. P denote the plasmid and B scientific Bolivar and R denotes by Rodriguez and C29 number given to distinguish ampicillin resistant gene derived from RSF2124 and tetracycline resistant gene from PSC101 and origin of replication from PMB1. And PUC8 is a popular E. coli cloning vector and it is derivative of PBR322. Two parts are derived ampicillin resistant gene and COIEI, origin of replication. It consists of 2700 base pairs and laxate gene derived from E. coli polylinker sequence having unique restriction site. And the last one is cosmids. Cosmids are the combined part of the lambda chromosome with part of plasmids, and it contains the cos sites of lambda and plasmid of origin of replication. Behave both as plasmids and as phases. Cosmids can carry up to 50 kb inserted of DNA. Structure of plasmids. The origin of replication, restriction sites for cleavage, and insertion of foreign DNA. Selectable markers from plasmids. A cos-site sequence yield cohesive and an ampensine resistant gene. The basic features of the cosmids and the key. ORAV, origin of replication, cos sites provide the blunt ends, and R is the recombinant site, and ECORI is the restriction endonucleases, and SMAL is the recognition sequence. And the end of the presentation. Thank you.